Hi, it's our day 10 in building our coffee discovery app in public. Hi, I'm Dandy again, and I'm just gonna quickly show you an update regarding our coffee discovery app and it being a coffee discovery app. So, as you can see here in my screen, may tayong search bar, and then different tabs underneath. Sa cafe tab, dito lalabas lahat ng coffee shop na meron tayo sa app, and we could add more if wala dito. Pero yeah, and near me, favorites, highly rated, been here, specialty coffee. So if you would search here, for example, Mahiwaga, yeah, lalabas yan. So, ang ganun. And then, let's keep coffee and vibe. Kung dito naman sa beans, lalabas lahat ng beans na binibenta ng mga coffee shops, ng mga roasters, or anyone. Tapos, yeah, we could easily search for it. For example, we're looking for Colombia. Since isa lang naman pala nandito. Pero, yeah, pag search mo Colombia, mag-stay siya. Yung mga ganun. Or you want Robusta. Eh, wala. So, pero, yeah, easier for us to hunt for our stash. Parang ganun. And then, roasters. Dito lalabas lahat ng roasters sa Philippines. Para madali na natin mahanap yung mga roasters na if we wanted to go directly to them, kung pwede ba tayong magpa-roast sa kanila, yung mga ganun. So, easier for us to contact and search for our local roasters. And then, coffee equipment, dito lalabas lahat ng mga coffee equipment sellers. So, for example, the Coffee District. So, basically, easier for us na to hunt or yung kunyari, mga machines, mga drippers, and all that. So, and then community, dito lalabas yung mga coffee shops and non-coffee shop community, or easier for us to manage kung ano man yung communities na meron tayo. For me, kunyari, cafe owner, mas madali na lang for us to see kung sino ba yung mga to build our community within the app and sa coffee shops natin. So, yeah, and then dito yung mga events, dito lalabas lahat ng mga events ng mga coffee shops, mga coffee communities, so they could see, for example, may calendar actually dito, tapos malalaman natin, kunyari over the weekend wala tayong ginagawa, we could search ano ba yung mga activities ng mga coffee shops near us na pwede nating puntahan. So easier for us to look, and for coffee shop owners to promote din kung yung mga activities natin. And then for jobs naman, dito lalabas yung mga job listings na ginawa ng mga coffee shop owners. For example, dito pwede mag-apply ito. Yan, for example, yan. So pwede tayong mag-apply dito ng postings. So yeah, and then farm, dito hindi ko pa maisip kung ano, pero supposedly may mga farm to cup experience, farm tour, and mga direct trade. Yun yung nasa isip ko ngayon. So yeah. Actually, yun na yun. If you have anything in mind na pwede pa natin i-add, let me know. Baka interesting siya. Pero on my end, feeling ko okay na to. And then, yeah, that's it being a coffee discovery app. So anything coffee, nandito na. Parang ganun. So hopefully, maging helpful for us as coffee lovers or coffee enthusiasts and coffee shop owners na din, di ba? Feeling ko helpful talaga siya. Habang dinedevelop ko siya, parang, sobrang ayos nito. Sana meron nito before. Yung mga ganong idea. So yeah, again, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and excited pa ako for the more features pa na meron tong app. So yeah, just keep on watching, and thank you so much for supporting, and see you sa next days. Bye!